Don't let your bread ends become food waste statistics. Make these instead. They are so good. So I'm using all these different bits of bread, and I'm using a combination of butter and oil. Start by cutting bread into 1/2-inch pieces. Now for the sauce, I am using 1/2 butter and 1/2 oil. I want about 1/3 cup, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm using powder because instead of the real thing, because I don't want the garlic to burn while it's in the oven. Mix that all up. Spread out nicely. Put them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. Flip them and do another 10 minutes as needed. They're ready. They are so good.